This is the fast look Google Pixel 9 Pro case's hands-on video. This year Google Pixel 9 series come with 3 smartphones, regular Pixel 9, and Pixel 9 Pro, and the new Pixel 9 Pro XL. So in this video let's now talk about the Google Pixel 9 Pro. It shows a familiar design we have seen on Apple's iPhones. The rear camera module has been redesigned but still looks very much like a Pixel phone. The Pixel 9 Pro is also seen in a blue color, which will most likely be joined by more options. Pixel 9 will offer a 6.01-inch 120Hz OLED display, compared to the 6.5-inch Pixel 9 Pro XL. Pixel 9 Pro come with triple camera setup, with some new AI features. New Google smartphone with Google Tensor G4, and lots of AI features. The phone will feature an octa-core processor with a power core clocked at 3.10 GHz, 3 cores clocked at 2.60 GHz, and 4 cores at 1.95 GHz, with a Mali G715 GPU along with 8 or 12 GB of RAM. The Pixel 9 series to be the first devices to launch with Android 15 out of the box. It seems that Google may take a new approach with the Pixel 9 series by launching 3 device models at once. The official launch is likely to take place sometime in October when Google usually unveils its flagships. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.